Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Motorola Moto G32. And to do this we'll need to open our settings, then locate the system at the bottom, and here you should be able to see gestures. First one is double press power key, and here you can choose to launch a Google Assistant with it or open a camera. So let's go for the camera and try to press the power key. It's located right here. We need to do it 2 times. And it opens our camera. Next thing is system navigation, and here you can choose how to navigate through your phone. You can either choose gesture navigations or 3 buttons navigations. If you prefer 3 buttons, then you have them right here. If you select gestures, then you can move through your phone by performing different gestures, and you can see a little tutorial right here. If you're interested, let's move on. Next is one-handed mode, and if you enable it, notification bar from here will be put to the middle of the phone, so you can access it without reaching with your finger all the way up there. And there's also option to enable this one-handed mode shortcut, and I think, yep, it's right here. So if you click on it, your phone will cut in half so that you can easily reach top of the screen with one hand. Let's disable it for now. Okay, anyway, a power touch, and here you can double tap power key for a quick shortcut, and it's not pressing, it's tapping. So simply double tap the power key. Oh, sorry, I didn't even enable it. And this little shortcut will show up, and here you can add and manage any shortcut apps like calculator or alarms or whatever you like. So we can go here in the settings, or no, okay, so you need to double tap, and then you'll be able to customize those icons by clicking on the gear icon. Now you can select any of them. Next thing is prevent ringing, and if you enter it, you can press a power and volume up key together to put your phone into vibrate or mute mode, whichever one you pick. And if we do it, as you can see, our phone turns into vibrate mode. Next thing is 3-finger screenshot, so you can hold your 3 fingers onto the screen to make a screenshot. Then we have a fast flashlight, and now you need to pick up your phone and shake it like you would give it a handshake, and it enables a flashlight. You can turn it off the same way. Next is a quick capture. Twist your wrist twice quickly to open camera anytime. So if we take our phone like this and twist it around 2 times quickly, we have a camera opened. And the last one is swipe to split. See apps in split screen by swiping back and forth, and we can enable it. Now use it like that, and our phone will be cut in half, and you can open one app on the bottom and one app on top. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.